Welcome, my friends. As you know, I am all about roasted chili peppers. There's really no flavor comparable to the amazingness of a perfectly roasted chili pepper. They're super awesome for many different sauces, soups, stews, so many uses for them, and they just make everything beautiful. To me, roasted chili peppers are essential for any home cook who loves to cook with big, bold flavors. So today I'm going to show you 3 very easy ways that you can roast chilies at home, but also an easy way to preserve them so you can make them in big batches. So, all right, let me show you how to do it. First is on the grill. To roast your peppers on the grill, lightly oil the grates and heat the grill to medium-high heat. Set the peppers on the hot grill, then flip them every 30 to 60 seconds. Continually until the skins blacken and char. You'll see the peppers puff up. You don't want to leave them on one side too long or they can overly burn, but the skins will darken and turn flaky. Next is oven roasting. To roast your peppers in the oven, first remove the stems and seeds from the peppers, then set them onto a lightly oiled baking sheet, skin sides up. Heat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Set the peppers into the oven and roast them for 20 to 30 minutes or until the skins are blackened and blistered, turning occasionally to evenly roast the peppers. The amount of time needed will depend on the thickness of the peppers, so thinner walled peppers like small habaneros may only need 5 minutes or so. Next is over direct heat. I use my stovetop for this. To roast peppers over an open flame, turn your gas flame to high heat. Set the peppers onto your grates directly over the flame. Turn the peppers occasionally with tongs until all sides are blackened and blistered. You'll hear them crackle a bit as they char. Don't let them burn or turn gray or white. No matter how you roast your peppers, you want to peel them to enjoy them. So once the peppers are nicely charred and roasted, cool them slightly, then transfer them to a large bowl or sealable baggie and cover. The residual heat from the peppers will steam them, which will loosen the skins, making them much easier to peel. After about 20 minutes or so, remove the lid and you can safely and easily peel off the skins with your fingers. Save the skins if you'd like. You can dehydrate them and turn them into a smoky seasoning. Now your peppers are ready for cooking and adding to all kinds of recipes. Or if you make big batches like I do, you can freeze them for using all year long. To freeze the roasted peppers, I prefer to remove the stems and seeds first. You can see how many seeds there are here. Just slice them open and scoop them out with your fingers or with a small utensil. You can freeze them whole and remove the seeds later. Some people even prefer to freeze the peppers before peeling, and you can definitely do this. But once the peppers are ready to freeze, I like to weigh them into portions and seal them in vacuum sealed bags, then just set them into the freezer. Don't forget to add the date. They'll last 6 months or longer this way. Hey guys, I also have an older version of this video, so if you want to check that out, lots of good information, still extremely relevant. I just look a little younger, but you get to see how wonderfully I have aged since then. Wait. Roasted chili pepper, my friends. I hope you like it. Really would love to hear in the comments below how you're gonna cook with all of your amazing, spicy, roasted chili peppers. So, hey, if you're looking for other amazing recipes, boom and boom, you got some right here. Love to have you try those too. So, all right, guys, I hope to see you in the kitchen next time. Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Bye.